So today we have a combination of linens and silk, and their coordinates, and they're stunning. They're absolutely beautiful. I'm going to start off with this beautiful red linen. Obviously linen, you can use both sides. This is 100% linen. This Veronica Beard, it's beautiful. It just doesn't have a lot of wrinkling to it. I mean, it has a wrinkle, but just not a lot to it. It is an orange red. It's really beautiful. I'm going to show you this silk then that goes with it. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful together? The silk has the reds, the blues, the creams, beige, so it would just go with so many things. This is a silk viscose crepe. It's got a little bit of texture to it. It's just stunningly beautiful. I put it coordinating with the red and then also with this linen. This is like a kind of a cream or tan color stripe. Look at that together. I mean, they are just stunningly beautiful. All of these fabrics today, the silk and the linen, is $24.99. I'm just so thrilled to bring them to you. They're just stunning together. Just really beautiful. Look at that. Now, I did this particular fabric because it also bridges over to the blue. And then this one bridges to the reds. So this whole group kind of coordinates together. It's just stunning. This is a floral, it's a silk viscose crepe also. Your blues, your reds, your greens, just a really pretty silk. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? The drape on this is fabulous. You don't have to have anything. You can kind of see the shadow of my hand, but you can't really see the detail at all. So, and then this is a linen. It's kind of like a denim-y looking linen. It's blue, kind of a denim color. It's a cross weave. It's a white and blue, and it looks denim, but it's linen. And it goes, like I said, look at that together. Just absolutely stunning. And then this is a designer, Manila Grace. I know we've had her before. The name is on here. It is labeled Manila Grace. This is a panel. Manila Grace is an Italian designer. This is a panel, so the name is on here several times throughout the fabric. This is a panel, and one panel is a little over a yard, and that's just the $24.99. Isn't that beautiful? This is a silk viscose crepe. This is a silk cotton. This is a silk cotton. It's just gorgeous. Oh, they're so beautiful, and they coordinate together so beautifully. It's just really exciting. Look at this silk with this blue linen. Look at that together. It just really picks up the blue. So they're just such a perfect combination of colors. Anyway, the goal is Saturday morning. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.